All right, chemistry, this is lesson 3, dealing with units of measurement. So units of measure or units of measurement are essential in chemistry and other sciences. Units of measure are the word or abbreviation that comes after the number to indicate what you are dealing with. If I say to you, do you want 10? You respond, 10 what? 10 pizzas, 10 books. So in this example, books and pizzas are the unit of measure. They indicate what the number is referring to. So here are the basic units of measure that we use in chemistry. For mass and weight those terms can be used interchangeably in chemistry. In physics, we make a distinction between mass and weight, but basically sometimes the weight of a substance can be referred to as its mass or its weight. And the basic unit is a gram. Volume, the basic unit is a liter, so if you've ever bought a liter of soda or a liter bottle of water, you know what a liter is. Distance, the basic unit is meters, or some derivative of meters, and we'll see that on the next slide. Time is what you think it is. It's seconds, minutes, hours. It could also be calendar time, such as days, weeks, and years. Temperature in science is measured in either the Kelvin or the centigrade system. The temperature that we have here in the United States, when you talk about the temperature being 70 degrees, is Fahrenheit. We don't use that in science. Generally, we always use either Kelvin or centigrade. We'll talk about that later in the course. And energy is measured in a unit called a joule. All right, so here are some of the different prefixes that you can use in front of different units of measure to indicate how many. So here's the ones that we use the most. A giga would be 1 billion, and that is 10 to the 9th in scientific notation. A mega is 1 million, that's a capital M, that's 10 to the 6th. A kilo, which is used very frequently, is a lowercase k, and that's 10 to the 3rd, that's 1,000. Then going down to some smaller units, centi means 1/100th, and that's a lowercase c. Milli is a lowercase m, that's 1/1000th. Micro, which is that Greek letter mu, it's a kind of a U looking shape, is 10 to the minus 6, that's 1/1,000,000th. Nano, lowercase n, is 10 to the minus 9th, that's 1/1,000,000,000th. And pico, lowercase p, is 10 to the minus 12th, and that's 1/1,000,000,000,000th. A prefix such as micro, nano, or killi in front of the unit of measure indicates the power of 10 to be multiplied by the number in front. So here are some examples. Right there you have 6.7 micrograms. That is 6.7 times 10 to the minus 6th grams. If you wrote it in decimal notation, it would look what you see over there on the right. 430 nanometers is 430 1/billionths of a meter, or that's 430 times 10 to the minus 9th meters. And 230 kilojoules is 230 times 10 to the 3, that's 1,000 joules. And that takes care of it. You're going to become familiar. You'll have these charts to work with as you go through this course, and you'll become familiar with these just by common use. You don't have to sit down and memorize them.